Located on my desktop, I've got the Dremel Digilab 3D Slicer, which is where we're going to start for this project. In the top left part of the software, you'll see a folder icon that allows you to select the project that you wish to print. Here we're going to talk about all the controls you have that are directly from the mouse. For rotate, simply right-click and move your mouse around to view the different sides of your object. To pan with a view, simply compress the scroll wheel and move your mouse side to side to move your object side to side. And finally, to zoom, simply scroll the scroll wheel in and out. This portion of the video is going to directly reference the controls you have within the software to edit your object. To move, simply grab and hold one of the axis arrows and move your mouse accordingly. To scale your object uniformly, grab one of the axis controls and move your mouse accordingly. To scale only one of the axes, unselect Uniform Scaling and you will be allowed to scale one feature, such as the X, Y, or Z axis of your object. To rotate your object to a new orientation, simply grab and hold one of the axis rings and rotate your object accordingly. Here we are adjusting the print settings, first by selecting the right type of material that we are printing with. Today that's going to be PLA. Next we are able to select the infill density. The infill density is the honeycomb-like structure in the internal parts of your object, which allows your object to be more dense or less dense for rigidity or strength. Generate support and build plate adhesion are always selected for me. Generate support allows my object to be supported for things over 90 degrees, or overhangs, or empty spaces. Build plate adhesion allows my object to be stuck to the glass print bed so that it does not move during the printing process. For turnkey and ready to go 3D printing, keep it on the recommended settings. If you would like to fine-tune your object's print settings even more, select custom settings. This allows fine-tuning various aspects to produce a better print. Once we've selected our print settings, we're going to slice our object, which is going to convert the object into G-code and layers for the final print. Once we have sliced our object, we're going to save it to a removable flash drive so that we can transfer it to the 3D printing machine. To transfer your print to the 3D printing machine, simply plug in your flash drive located on the lower right-hand corner of the outside of the machine. Before printing, add a layer of stick glue to a space larger than the footprint of your object to give better build plate adhesion during the printing process. To begin building, select Build from the touchscreen menu. Next, select where your file is coming from the machine, from a flash drive, or the online print queue. We're going to select the flash drive. From here, select where your file is, scroll through the menu and select your file. Once we have selected our file, in the upper right-hand corner, we're going to select Build, and this is going to start our print. Once your print has completed, pay attention to the two black tabs on the front side of the print bed. Compress these to allow the print bed to raise off and for you to retrieve your print. From here, carefully remove your print from the glass print bed using the scraper provided by Dremel. Once you have removed your object from the print bed, spray the glass print bed down with a glass cleaning solution. This allows your object to adhere perfectly for the next print. To refit the print bed, pay attention to the two metal tabs located at the back far end of your machine. Find those two metal tabs, slide the print bed underneath those, and listen for the two clicks as you compress it down onto the build plate. This video covers the very low-level basics of printing with your Dremel 3D 45 machine. To find out more and to learn more about 3D printing, simply keep being creative and keep on printing.